Hey everybody, it's Dennis Lee
Nana Puddin.
and you've reached us right here on Nana Puddin Tube. You see something different?
Huh?
Do you see something different?
What?
Well, we're celebrating nature today.
Oh!
That's why we're outdoors.
Huh?
I know that a lot of changes are going on in our country and in our world, but you know something that is changing as well?
What?
Outside. You know, when the winter is here, then all the leaves are
Wow.
brown. All the leaves are
Wow.
brown, and they're kind of crispy and dying, right?
Yeah,
And that's if there are any leaves at all.
I know.
But guess what? Springtime is here. And you know what that means?
Swing, swing, swing.
No, not springing up and down.
No.
But it does make me happy that springtime is here. Guess what?
What?
When springtime comes, the leaves turn
Green.
green, right?
Yeah.
The leaves were brown during the winter, and they fell from the trees and they fell on the ground.
Uh-huh.
But now, because springtime is on the way, then the leaves are turning
Green.
green. Don't you love that?
Uh-huh.
There are a lot of things that are changing in our world. And guess what? That's part of life.
What?
That's part of life. The world continues to turn. The sun goes, the sun goes.
Yeah.
Some days are rainy, some days are sunny. Sometimes the leaves are
Brown.
brown, and sometimes the leaves turn a beautiful, lush, and wonderful green. Well, springtime won't be here forever.
No.
We're gonna spring into summer. And as we do, remember, things change. That's life. It's okay. It's okay.
Nana